Natural factors and human activities are proximate causes that directly impact and alter the global environment to cause potential concern to life on our planet. India's unique geography and terrain affects its climate. Coupled with rapid urbanization, stands a direct risk from global environmental factors. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's flagship programs, which have a futuristic role in achieving global environmental benefits, are the National Mission for a Green India for addressing climate change issues, Sustainable Area-Based Development in the Smart Cities Mission, Municipal Solid Waste Management under the Swachh Bharat Mission, Sustainable Livelihoods under the National Skill Development Mission, Aquatic Biodiversity Conservation in Ganga River Basin under the National Mission for Clean Ganga. We need to set our environmental agenda if our country is to remain a supportive habitat for people and ecosystems. Helping us to achieve this, GEF, Global Environment Facility, a financial mechanism supporting around 183 countries, including developing countries with transitioning economies, resolves global environmental problems of climate change, biodiversity, land degradation, international waters, chemicals and waste. India is both a donor and a recipient of resources from GEF. Ministry of Environment, Forests and Climate Change is the operational focal point responsible for all in-country GEF operations.
India as a transitioning economy is paving the way for rapid overall growth and keeping its place in the world economic share. And our Prime Minister's vision to see that the sustainable development growth of our country's economy along with industrialization, at the same time keeping a balance and partnership with the environment.
India has received a funding of $737 million in GEF grant funding and leveraged an additional $7.15 billion in co-financing. The total of 97 projects, both national, regional and global, have been funded through GEF support.
India has been consistently pursuing a growth path that is ecologically sustainable. Our effort constantly is to use a growth path which is appropriately balanced between environmental imperatives and developmental needs.
Through multiple initiatives, many landmark programs in the area of clean energy efficiency, renewable energy, biodiversity conservation and climate change, sustainable land and ecosystem management have been developed and executed. Some of the initiatives include Indian Railways. The project has strengthened the institutional capacity of Indian Railways and mainstreamed energy efficiency. The Railways has gone further. It has developed a plan to achieve zero emissions by 2030. GEF projects have contributed to increasing energy efficiency in industries. Sustainable urban transport for more energy efficient and effective public transport systems. The support received by India from GEF, resulting in incremental benefits, has allowed us to achieve significant impacts by contributing to the national priorities.
We have been able to contribute almost 90% to the GEF projects, with only 10% of the GEF grants being commingled, whereas globally it is the ratio has been 1:6.
India's role in climate change and Paris Agreement is just one aspect of the country's leadership and commitment to achieving global environment benefits. The heterogeneity of the country, given its landmass, gives India a unique opportunity to work on all 5 focal areas supported by GEF. India has a coastline of almost 7,500 kilometers and almost 1,300 islands. The Himalayan ecosystem, the Sundarbans, are all important ecological hotspots requiring careful nurturing.
We would like GEF to emphasize equal importance, if not more, to land degradation as a focal area. There is enormous potential for a triple win, which is increased production, mitigation of greenhouse gases and enhanced resilience.
India, with its sizable population, will be a major contributor to the SDGs. Given that environmental benefits are the core area for GEF, countries like India need continued support to achieve the SDG targets.
Thanks to Global Environment Facility for supporting our cause for India being a middle income economy, we needed this support. When GEF is planning its 7th replenishment cycle, is that impact programs need to be considered the country's priorities.
As a country, India is committed to effectively balance its economic aspirations with existence of inclusive and sustainable habitat for its people.